DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back with some more Harbor Freight savings, guys. So today we're going to be looking at the Harbor Freight Summer Super Savings Event from Friday, July 7th through Sunday, July 9th. Anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump into it. We're going to be hitting every single one of these and seeing what they got in store for us. So first up, we have any single Bauer or Hercules tool or accessory product. Everybody saves 10%. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 15% off. Limit one coupon per customer per day, 10% off any single Bauer or Hercules tool or accessory product purchased. Not valid on prior purchases, non-transferable. Original coupon must be presented. Coupon cannot be combined with other discounts or promotions. Other restrictions may apply. Valid 7/7/23 through 7/9/23. And pretty much all of those coupons, guys, are going to say something similar to that. I'm not going to read each single one because I don't want to make this video too long. So anyway, next up we got any single Yukon, US General, or Icon storage product. Everybody saves 10% off. Inside Track Club members get 15% off. It's going to be any single item, and all these guys are no exclusions. So whatever it says here on the coupon, you guys could pick up. So like this one's, you could use it on Yukon, US General, Icon, any storage product. So that's pretty cool, guys. These are some really good deals right here. So next we got any single floor jack or jack stand. Again, no exclusions. Everybody saves 10% off. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 15% off, guys. I'm telling you, sometimes that Inside Track Club membership comes in handy. So next up, we got any single Hardy gloves, mechanics, nitrile, leather, and more. So any of the Hardy gloves, whether it's mechanics gloves, nitrile, leather, or more. Everybody saves 20% off. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 25% off, guys. Moving on, we got any single compressor, no exclusions. Everyone saves 10% off. Inside Track Club member, you get 15% off. Next, we got any single tarp, no exclusions again, guys. Everybody saves 20% off. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 25% off. You see the trend here, guys. Inside Track Club member gets an extra 5% off. Moving on to any single welder or plasma cutter. Everyone saves 15% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 20% off. That's again with no exclusions. Moving on to the next one, we got any single Badland, winch, or off-road product. Everybody saves 15% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 20% off. It's no exclusions as well. Moving on to the any single Braun or Quantum lighting product. Everybody saves 15% off. Inside Track Club members get that 20% off with no exclusions. Next, we got the any single Icon hand tool, no exclusions. Everyone saves 20% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 25% off, guys. And last but not least, we have any single Cover Pro canopy. Everybody saves 10% off. Inside Track Club members get 15% off, guys. So some pretty good sales, pretty good savings this weekend at Harbor Freight. Some stuff that I personally would recommend or look for is definitely the Yukon, US General, or Icon storage banks or storage cabinets for that 10 or 15% off. That's going to be a really good deal. It's not as good as some of the 20% off coupons you could get for these, but if you're in the market this weekend and you want to pick it up, now's a good time. Another good deal, I think personally, or that I would go for, is the floor jacks or jack stands, especially the Daytona ones. That 10% off, 15% off is going to really come in handy. There's some good quality jacks and jack stands, especially on the Daytona line. For the Pittsburgh line, I've heard a lot of good stuff, but again, don't have any personal experience with that. Next, I would say the Any Single Bauer or Hercules tool or accessory for 10% off or 15% off. That's another good deal. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about the Hercules brand, so might be something for you guys to check out. If anybody's got some good or bad stuff to say about the Hercules brand, put it in the comment section below. I would like to know, and as well as other viewers would like to know as well. I've had some experience with the Bauer. It's not bad, but it just, I'm telling you guys, that impact, that half-inch impact that I had just did not live up to the torque rating that it claimed on the box. So that's my only negative about the Bauer. Other than that, pretty good. Last thing, and guys, these are in no particular order. I want to throw that out there. Last thing that I would be interested in is the Any Single Icon hand tool for the 20 and 25% off coupon. Icon is really impressing me, guys. I've got a video coming out soon. Well, by the time I've got a video coming out soon on a lot of the products that I bought of Icon, and I'm really impressed by them, guys. Really excited about the Icon line. But anyway, guys, there you have it. There is your summer super savings event. Again, it's this Friday, July 7th through Sunday, July 9th. You get everyone saves up to everyone saves up to 20% off. And if you're Inside Track Club member, you get an extra 5% off on top of that 20% that everybody else gets. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There is your super coupons. Again, you have to show this in store, whether it be in your hand or on your phone. You must present the coupon, and it's one coupon per customer per day. So just keep that in mind, guys. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys are liking these videos. If you are, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. Again, I would greatly appreciate it, and it would mean a lot to me. So anyway, guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, please hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.